Let's make one of my favorite drink. Here I have some apple washed. I'm gonna use a bit of mint and some ginger. So I'm gonna use about this of the ginger. So give it a bit of wash. I'll take the skin off. Set it aside. So I'm going to go ahead and chop these up, make it easier for the blender. Put it in. This drink is very healthy, energizing, also helps to speed up your metabolism. You have this every day, you'll see the difference in your skin, in your well-being, and in your energy level. So make sure you try this even 3 times a week or as much as possible. Here, add some mint in it. Then I'm going to add just water. That should be all right. Put a lid on. Give it a little bit more. So I'm just gonna quickly pass it through the sieve. If you want to have it with the rough edge, you can, but I don't like too much bits. I'm gonna get my glass. Make sure you try this at home. Lovely and healthy juice. Cheers to you guys. Wow, very delicious. Please remember to try this at home. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen.